Ever wondered where you really come from? I'm not talking about your hometown, but your roots, your ancestors, the people who make you, you. Building a family tree can feel like a massive puzzle, but trust me, it's one of the most rewarding adventures you'll ever take. So, where do you even start this epic journey? Right here with you. The first step is the easiest and most important. Start with what you know. Grab a notebook or open a document and write down your own name, birth date, and birthplace. Then do the same for your parents, your grandparents, and any other close relatives you know. Think names, dates, place as anything you can remember. This is your foundation. Next, it's time to become a detective in your own family. Talk to your relatives, call your grandma, visit your uncle, chat with your older cousins, ask them questions. Who was their favorite aunt? What stories did they hear about their grandparents? These conversations are gold. They don't just give you names and dates. They give you stories, personalities, and the little details that bring your ancestors to life. Remember to ask if you can see old photos, letters, or family documents. A birth certificate, a marriage license, or an old family Bible can be a treasure trove of information. Once you've gathered what you can from your family, it's time to take your search online. The internet has completely changed genealogy. Websites like Ancestry, MyHeritage, and Family Search are powerful tools. They have billions of historical records, census data, military records, immigration lists, and so much more. Many local libraries also offer free access to these paid sites, so be sure to check that out. As you start plugging in names and dates, you'll see your tree begin to grow. A new record might lead you to a great-great-grandparent you never knew existed. You might find a census record that shows your family living in a surprising place or working in a fascinating profession. It's a thrill every single time a new leaf appears on your tree. So, what does a family tree even look like? It can be as simple or as complex as you want it to be. At its core, it's a chart. You are at the bottom, or the center. From you, branches extend up to your parents. From each parent, more branches extend to their parents, your grandparents, and so on, going back through the generations. You can create a simple hand-drawn chart, use free online software, or build a massive, detailed tree on a genealogy website. The format is less important than the information it holds. As you build, you'll discover you're not just collecting names. You're uncovering stories of love, struggle, migration, and survival. You might find farmers, soldiers, immigrants who crossed oceans for a new life, or even a little bit of family scandal. Each discovery adds a new layer to your own identity. You'll start to see patterns, understand family traditions on a deeper level, and feel a real connection to the people who came before you. It's like unlocking chapters of a history book where you are the main character. Building a family tree is a journey, not a race. It takes patience and a bit of detective work, but every discovery is a victory. You're not just creating a chart. You're preserving your family's legacy for future generations. You're telling the story of how you came to be. So why not start today? Talk to a relative, search one record, and see where your story takes you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this inspires you to start your own genealogical adventure. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and stories. Happy hunting!